In this part, we are going to start adding the feature that to detect whether it is edit mode or not edit mode, and this depends on whether need to cancel the edit mode. If the user click on this item, it will set to the edit mode, and then the user can type anything. But if the user click the area other than the input area, it will cancel the edit mode. So the user can create a new to-do if this is not an edit mode. You may not understand right now, but if you continue, you will understand. So now we first back to the add to-do, and now we have to use the useRef to define which areas we want to detect. So we create a input area ref, and we do not define anything, and then we need to import the useRef from React. And now we go to the form and we set the ref is equal to input area ref, and then we go back to the top and we use the use effect, and then we check, and then we create the functions. So constant check if click outside is equal to the event, and we are going to check if the input area ref do not contain the target, which means this is not the input area. Then we will just console log this is outside input area, and then else we console log this is inside input area, and we have to add the event listener for the document. So we add the event listener for the mouse down, and we check if click outside, and then we have to return to clean up the event listener. So we use document dot remove event listener, and then mouse down, and then check if clicked outside. So the use effect haven't defined yet, so we also need to import from the React. So you can see it already import, and now we can go back to the website and see whether it is implemented. So if now we clicked on the input area, you can see it set input inside the input area, and if we click outside the input area, it will display outside input area inside the console.